What is up, guys? Welcome back to Truck Bros. This is just a little bit of a truck vlog as to what's to come. Yeah, I know, I'm sitting in my living room. What are you doing? Sitting in my living room, actually playing a little Xbox, but figured I'd do a little video update. The Silverado will be taking some big changes. Of course, been kind of in a standstill, working 6 days a week, with life happening, being busy. James just had his little girl. Haven't really been able to shoot content, so we do apologize. I know I see people been watching, subscribing. We do appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Without y'all, this channel's nothing. I think I'm going to kind of get hated on for what I'm about to do to my truck. It's going to get really prettied up, but oh well, who cares? It's what I want to do. It's my truck. I'm going to Florida here in June. And I want that thing looking right when I go down there. Definitely want a head turner. So I never kept the truck long enough to get to really do anything like what I'm about to do with this one. And it's kind of exciting. Like as of next week, I'll be getting parts for it to go ahead and start moving forward. And this isn't going to happen in like 1 to 2 days. I mean, once I get the parts I need, I gotta wait to send them out because there's actually going to be a little bit of powder coating involved with this. So, well, I say a little bit, a lot. There's going to be a truck sitting in the driveway with nothing underneath it. But once that's done, get everything back, put it on the truck, and dude, I'm excited. I'll probably do a little bit of an install video, nothing crazy, nothing too wild. I'm not going to do like a full in-depth install video. I'm just going to kind of like go over what's happening. I'll probably record a little bit in between, stop and talk, show what's been done, show what's going on next, and then go from there. Tons of new parts. Little does anybody know, I've got stock control arms on my truck with 3.5 kit on there with yeah, of course, stock A arms, and they are not liking it. The boots are torn on every ball joint. They're completely pegged out, and that thing rides like absolute trash. I can't stand it. So this will help with the ride quality as well as longevity of parts because, shoot, that list's been on since March or so, I would say. I'm not quite sure. I have to look back at videos when I put it on. But since then, this thing's rode like crap. Ball joints started making noise on it. There's a lot of play in the front end. It's tight for what it is, but for a brand newer body truck, not brand new truck. My truck's far from new, but a newer body truck, the steering wheel should be a lot tighter on it, and it should have a way better ride quality than what it's got. And I'm not happy with it. So, thanks to courtesy of my bank and the money I make, we're gonna definitely make some upgrades. Y'all gonna like it. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm actually very excited. This truck ain't gonna go anywhere anytime soon. If I get another truck, I'm gonna be buying another truck. I'm not gonna trade mine, sell mine. I did post it up on the internet for a little while to see if I could get some hits on it. No offense to the Ford guys out there. I don't want a Ford. Don't want anything to do with the Ford. I appreciate everybody sending me offers to trade for a Ford, but yeah. I'm good. I'm gonna make a swift pass on that. Stay tuned though. I appreciate the patience, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful night. As always, enjoy the show.